Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes a $3,000 professional workstation look like a plastic toy. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was the safe choice. It was the budget box you bought for your parents or used for basic office work. It was reliable, sure, but it was never exciting. Those days are officially dead. A massive leak from Apple's highly secretive manufacturing hub in Houston, Texas, has just pulled back the curtain on the M5 Mac Mini. This isn't just a spec bump. This isn't a minor refresh. We are looking at a Mac Studio killer that is designed to bring world-class professional power to the masses for a fraction of the cost. If you thought you knew what a small computer was capable of, you need to pay attention, because the details coming out of the supply chain are about to change the way you look at your desk forever. The story begins in an unexpected place, Houston, Texas. For decades, we have seen the words "assembled in China" on every Apple product. But Apple is shifting its strategy by moving production of its most disruptive hardware to a state-of-the-art Foxconn facility right here in the United States. Apple is doing more than just changing a label. They are securing the brain of the future. This facility is a high-tech fortress designed to build the most advanced AI servers and desktops ever conceived. When you are building a machine meant to be the private AI engine of a home, security is everything. This move allows Apple to keep a tight grip on every single chip and board, ensuring that your data stays yours. This isn't just a computer. It is an American-made powerhouse designed for the next era of computing. The heart of this revolution is the M5 chip. This is not just a slightly faster version of the M4 we've seen in iPads. The M5 is built on a brand new third-generation, 3nm process. To understand why this matters, think of the chip like a plot of land. In the past, you could only fit so many houses on that land. But with this new process, Apple has found a way to fit billions of tiny components, each smaller than a virus, into a space that shouldn't be able to hold them. This results in a chip that is faster than a high-end gaming PC, while using significantly less electricity. This efficiency is the secret weapon. Because the M5 uses so little power, it doesn't generate the heat that usually kills performance. This is how Apple can keep the Mac Mini tiny, just 5 inches by 5 inches, and keep it completely silent. You can render a 4,000 movie or compile thousands of lines of code for hours and you won't hear a single fan noise. It is just pure, silent, unstoppable power. But let's talk about the part that usually makes Mac Mini users jealous: the graphics. For years, the Mini was the weak sibling when it came to gaming or 3D work. That ends with the M5. The new GPU is a total monster. For the first time, every single core in the GPU includes a dedicated neural accelerator built specifically for artificial intelligence. It features hardware-accelerated mesh shading and a 35% boost in ray tracing performance. If you aren't a tech geek, here is what that means: light, shadows, and reflections in video games and professional 3D renders will look indistinguishable from reality. This little box can now compete with giant, power-hungry graphics cards that cost more than the entire Mac Mini itself. Think about that. You are getting the performance of a massive tower in a box that weighs less than a bag of sugar. Apple is also completely reimagining how the processor thinks. They are introducing a new 10-core CPU design featuring what they call super cores. These are quite literally the fastest CPU cores in the world right now. They use a technology called enhanced branch prediction. Essentially, the computer is so smart it guesses what you are going to click on before your finger even hits the mouse. When you open a massive application like Photoshop or Final Cut Pro, it doesn't load. It just appears. There is no loading bar. There is no spinning wheel. The wait time of our lives is being erased. Apple's goal is to make the time between you having a creative thought and the computer finishing the task almost zero. This isn't just speed. It's a change in how we interact with technology. It removes the friction from creativity. If you are a professional who thinks "I still need a Mac Studio," the M5 Pro model might make you change your mind. This is where Apple is getting aggressive. For the first time, they are bringing Fusion architecture to the Mini. This design bonds the separate chips together to act as one single, massive brain. It creates a memory bandwidth of 307 gigabytes per second. To put that in perspective, that is faster than the majority of high-end gaming rigs on the market today. But the speed doesn't stop at the processor. The storage is breaking world records. The new SSD controllers are twice as fast as the previous generation, reaching speeds of 14.5 gigabytes per second. You could move a massive 8K video file, something that used to take minutes, in just a couple of seconds. The internal storage is so fast, it actually functions as an extension of the RAM with support for up to 64 gigabytes of unified memory. The M5 Pro, a beast that fits in your backpack, ready to handle 3D modeling, complex simulations, and heavy video editing without breaking a sweat. So why all this power? Why now? It's because of the AI endgame. We are moving into a world where AI is no longer a toy on a website. It's a tool we use every second. Normally, when you ask an AI a question, your data travels to a server farm in a different state or country. Apple wants to kill the cloud. They want your AI to live locally, right on your desk. The M5 family is 4 times faster at processing AI tasks than the M4. This is a massive win for your privacy. It means your Mac Mini can upscale your old videos, answer complex questions, and help you write emails without your data ever leaving your room. This is why the raw power of the M5 is so vital. You need a massive engine to run these AI models locally, and Apple is giving you that engine in a box the size of a sandwich. Now, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, the price. For a long time, $599 was the magic number for the Mac Mini, but building a machine this powerful in Houston, Texas, isn't cheap. Labor and manufacturing costs in the US are higher, and the premium components in the M5 add up. The leak suggests the new starting price will be $699. At first glance, a $100 price hike feels like bad news. But look closer. Apple is finally doing the one thing users have begged for. They are killing the 256 gigabytes base model. Every M5 Mac Mini will now start with 512 gigabytes of ultra-fast storage. In the past, the 256 gigabytes model was almost unusable for professionals. You'd run out of space in a week. By doubling the base storage, Apple is actually making the entry-level model a viable professional machine right out of the box. They are giving you more value for that extra $100 than you ever got before. The connectivity is also being brought into the next decade. The M5 Mac Mini will feature Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and the highly anticipated Thunderbolt 5 ports. These ports offer a staggering 120 gigabytes per second of bandwidth. This means you can plug in multiple 6K or 8000 displays, high-speed storage arrays, and professional audio interfaces all at once without a single hint of lag. It turns this tiny box into a true workstation hub. It makes you wonder if the Mini can do 90% of what the Mac Studio does for half the price. Who is the Studio even for? This is the proification of the entry-level Mac. Apple is putting the tools used by Oscar-winning directors into the hands of students and hobbyists. The design itself is rumored to stay familiar, but with a twist. Sources say the internal cooling system has been redesigned from the ground up. Even though the M5 is efficient, Apple wants to ensure that under pro workloads, there is absolutely zero throttling. This means you get 100% of the performance 100% of the time. In the world of Windows PCs, small form factor computers usually have to slow down when they get hot. Not here. This is a machine that refuses to compromise. It is built to be worked hard, day in and day out, for years to come. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is the most disruptive product Apple has planned for 2026. By finally upgrading the base storage to 512 gigabytes and adding Thunderbolt 5, they've removed every bottleneck that used to force people to buy more expensive models. This is a rare moment where the budget option becomes so good it threatens the rest of the lineup. If you've been waiting to upgrade, wait for this. It's not just a computer. It's a decade-long investment. This machine bridges the gap between what we want to do and what we can afford to do. It brings the future to the present. The shift to American manufacturing and the leap in silicon technology mark a new chapter for Apple. This isn't just about speed, it's about sovereignty, privacy, and power. The future is sitting on your desk, and it's smaller than you ever imagined. We are entering an era where your computer doesn't just process your data, it understands you, and it does it all from a beautiful, silent box in the corner of your desk. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just a tool. It's the foundation of the next decade of personal computing. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of tech.